This generation of Ford Fiesta was one of the UK's best-selling cars throughout its life, and it's easy to see why the moment you sit in one. It has excellent comfort, space, and quality in the cabin, while the driving manners outshine all of its rivals. This version of Ford Fiesta went on sale in early 2013 with sharper styling and a host of new features. The front end received Ford's trapezoidal grille, plus laser-cut headlights with daytime running lights. The interior also gained minor tweaks with revisions to the center console and trim. All of this makes it as good a used buy as it was a sound new car choice. The most important addition was the inclusion of the 1.0-liter Ecoboost engine in 100 PS and 125 PS outputs, which had premiered in the Ford Focus. A winner of the International Engine of the Year award, the 3-cylinder turbocharged unit offered a claimed 65.7 mph and emits 99 ng/colon of CO2, which means free car tax. The Ford Fiesta is extremely nimble and composed, which makes it ideal for town and motorway driving. Ride quality was improved through a combination of more compliant suspension and deeper profile tires, and friction was taken out of the steering, making it feel sharper from the straight-ahead position. There was plenty of new technology, including Sync, which provides Bluetooth and USB connectivity, voice control, and emergency assistance. Active City Stop was offered too, which helps drivers avoid low-speed accidents by applying the brakes if a collision is imminent. Another important feature that could be had when new was My Key, which provides parents with a second key for their children. This second key is programmed with parameters set by the parents, for instance, limiting top speed, setting off warning sounds if they forget their seat belts, and restricting the maximum volume of the radio, among other things. It's a useful addition to a car that's always popular with learner drivers. There are few small hatchbacks on the UK market that come close to matching the Ford for all-round ability, efficiency, and comfort. The Ford Fiesta is driver-friendly, spacious, and great fun on the road. Standard kit is also impressive, with base models getting air conditioning, hill start assist, and a body-colored rear spoiler.